Alright guys, what's going on? Matt here with detailking.com to talk to you about the claw, hood, and interior cordless LED lamp. Now because this is an LED light, that means it's light to carry, it'll stay cool, and it's bright up to 900 lumens. With the foam padded extension brackets, it'll extend from 48 out to 77 inches. That means it can fit snugly on underneath any ceiling panel of any vehicle and under any hood as well. Now if you are unable or choose not to fasten your claw this way, it does have fold-away hooks on the end, along with a large magnet, so that you're able to choose between the different options on how to mount your light within your car. The light is also 360-degree rotatable within the bracket, including its removability from the bracket itself. You can now use the light any way that you need, including on the exterior of the car, to try and find paint imperfections, including swirls and scratches. With power buttons located at both ends, you don't have to worry about running around from one side of the car to the other to turn on and off your light strip. One click will turn on one strip, another click will turn it up to full power, and one more click will turn it off completely. That 3-click system is one you'll want to remember. The claw takes about 45 minutes to charge up entirely, but you will get about an hour and a half to 2 hours out of that full charge. However, you cannot use it while it is charging on its AC/DC charger. That's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can find more videos just like this one. And if you need more information on the claw, cordless hood, and interior LED lamp, head on over to detailking.com where you can find everything you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King. See you guys next time.